Hey everybody, this is James coming to you from the 10-Minute Trader, and money makes life easier. What we're going to look at today, I wanted to show you quickly on our 10-minute trading system. Let's jump on over to there and see how that looks. Let's get out here. Okay, the 10-minute trading system is a system in which you can trade stocks in less than 10 minutes a day and make more money than on your investments than you're currently making. Here's the blog, and here's the website itself. It gives you an idea of how simple and easy it actually can be. Now, over in the members area, I was over here today just trying to figure out how to make this a little bit better. Step number 1, opening your trading account, setting up your trading account. Step number 3, getting familiar with Thinkorswim. We use Thinkorswim because we find it to be the easiest trading platform for what we want to do. When I finally got here to step number 4, picking your stocks, I wanted to check the stock list. Now, the stock list is looking like this. Stocks that pay once a year, stocks that pay twice a year, companies pay every month, and those companies that pay 4 times a year. So I wanted to take the list, all these companies here, and I wanted to put them into my Dividend Calendar. Okay, and it will tell me, rather than trying to figure out all that, exactly what day each stock was trading. Okay, so I imported them into here. Now, if we look at the month of June, get first week of June, we have 19 stocks that are trading. All right, so we can pick any one of those. Second week, there's only 7 of them. The fourth week is 17, and the fifth week there's 12. So for the next 6 weeks, I took all the stocks that are paying in the next 6 weeks so I can plan my trades, and I put them into my Dividend Stock Calculator. Now this thing, hopefully you've seen this before. Put all the stocks in over here, and the software actually goes into the data stream and does a lot of complicated mathematical equations to come up with these answers. Now, the first 4 are relatively simple. You have the stock symbol, the price, the dividend, what the yield is. Now, these last 3 are the important ones. The 20-day, 20 DMA, that's the 20-day moving average. It's not like the moving average that you see. It's a different mathematical equation for a number specifically for dividend stocks. And this right here, 10YR PRF, stands for the 10-year performance. Trading the way that I trade, how well would these stocks have performed over the 10-year period? Now, there's only 2 of them coming up into the 100% of the time, which I think is great. I mean, hey, a stock that does it 10 years in a row, I'm pretty sure it's going to be, I'm pretty confident it's going to do it another year. Okay, then we drop down to the 80s and then down to the 70s and so on and so forth. Okay, now the very last one is DCSTR, which stands for Dividend Capturing Strategy. That's where you buy the stock just a couple of days before the EX date, capture the strategy, turn around and resell it for more than you paid for it. Okay, I'm going to say that again, just a little bit slower. The Dividend Capturing Strategy, what this calculator does, it goes into the data stream and it looks at past performance on dividend capturing. It's where you buy the stock 2 to 4 days before the EX date. Sell the stock after the date of record for a profit. So you're accomplishing 2 things. 1, you're collecting the dividend, and 2, you're collecting a small profit on top of that. Now, I have to tell you that the profit we're looking to capture is very small. Our main objective is to capture the dividend and then resell for a profit. That's our main objective, and we want to do this as many times as we can. So let's go back to here. The calendar, as you can see, is 15 in the month of January, 18 in the month of February. If you buy the stock, hold on to it a few days, sell it, capture the dividend, just on these stocks alone, they pay once a year. So that dividend is not cut up into a bunch of small chunks. It's the one chunk. You buy it, get the dividend, get out. Anyway, this is James from 10-Minute Trader. Happy trading.